Hello there. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you free alternatives to the SEO tool Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs has been around a long time. If you've been working in SEO for more than a few days, you've probably heard of it. You'll know that it's really highly recommended. But it's not to say that it's going to be the best tool for everyone. So what I want to do in this video is show you free alternatives that may prove to be a better option for you depending on your specific situation. So if you go on to enjoy this video or at least find it useful, do click the like button, share it with your friends in the SEO community, and consider subscribing to our channel because we are uploading videos from similar topics all the time, and you don't want to miss them. So the first tool I want to show you is called Semrush. This is another big name in the industry of SEO tools. Again, you've probably heard of it. The big thing I want to tell you about this tool is that it's not just an SEO tool, okay? It's going to help you out with your paid ads, your social media marketing, your content marketing in general, right? It really is an all-in-one solution in that way. And it's the most expensive tool we're going to look at today in this video for that reason, because you could potentially be ditching 2 or 3 other tools you're already using and just use this. But as far as the SEO features, here are some that I want to show you. Yes, the keyword magic tool. This is where Semrush really does shine. So you're going to pop your seed keyword in here and you're going to get thousands of options to take advantage of. And you're going to be able to filter these in a number of ways as well. So for example, you could be able to filter by volume, by intent, by difficulty, all of these things. And yes, having used a few SEO tools during my time, I would say that this is one of the strengths of Semrush is the depth of options that you're going to get. Although I would say that Ahrefs is very good in this area as well. The position tracking tool with Semrush. These screenshots here are going to show you just how intuitive and how well set out it is. So you're going to be able to see the difference in your rankings for your main keywords over time. You're going to be able to track this across mobile, desktop, local SEO as well. And just the way that it's all set out is going to make it very easy. It's going to save you a lot of time. So here are the free pricing plans on offer to you, starting off from around $117 per month. That's if you pay annually. All of the softwares I'm going to show you today, an annual discount is available. And with Semrush, that's no different. Really, the choice that you want to go with is really going to depend on the amount of features that you're using and the amount of projects that you're working with. Okay, the second tool that I want to show you is called SE Ranking. This is less well known. It's a lot more compact, but that's what I like about it. It's going to be very easy for beginners to pick up and start using, and it's very intuitive to use. Again, very great for beginners, that is. Clean, fast. It's going to cover most of what an SEO person needs, and very affordable for what it offers as well. Here, again, these screenshots will show you the intuitiveness of the software. This is how you're going to track your rankings daily, again, across locations, across different devices. Local SEO. This is an area where I felt like SE ranking really stood out. So if you're using that, and also the landing page here is going to let you check 5 keywords for free for local SEO, just to demonstrate how useful and powerful that this tool is in this area. Competitor analysis as well, an area where SE ranking really does shine. And again, this is an area where, because it's set out so well, it's so intuitive, you're going to be able to spot opportunities to pounce upon far easier. So let's take a look at the pricing tiers. Again, this is with an annual discount of 20%. Starting at $52 a month, and you can see what each tier offers here. Third tool that I'm going to share with you is Moz. I know, big shock, right? One of the most well-known names in the SEO industry. It really did used to be like the go-to tool maybe 10, 15 years ago. It's a little clunky for my taste, nowadays, but there are still some features that make it very powerful and useful tool. And of course, it's still, here we go, trusted by 500,000 brands and agencies. So it would feel a bit wrong not to include it in my list. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, Moz pretty much invented this idea of domain authority. So what this is, you can check how likely your domain is going to rank for certain keywords using this tool, and you're going to get 3 reports per day for free. If you're going to be managing more than 3 websites, then you're going to have to sign up to Moz to use this. You go unlimited for Moz Pro customers. Yes, of course, you can search for keywords using Moz, and all of the features really that I've talked about here it can do. Again, if you're experienced with this tool, then it's still going to be, useful. Maybe you don't want to take the time to learn another one. For me, it's a little clunky, but yes, very powerful. You're going to be able to do a lot of stuff as far as searching keywords and tracking the rankings and all of these things that we've already talked about. I do want to mention the Moz community as well. There are a lot of features here. I still watch the Whiteboard Friday videos, so it felt wrong not to mention this, and you can look about the advantages of joining that in your own time, I suppose. Yes, and the got 2 pricing tiers here. No, so you see it's $79 a month if you pay annually, and $143 for the medium tier. So those are my 3 alternatives to Ahrefs. Love to know what you thought about my ideas. Do leave me a comment below. Again, if you found the video to be entertaining, useful, memorable, go ahead and click the like button. Share it with your friends in the SEO community if you think it's going to help them. And consider subscribing to our channel if you fancy watching more videos with similar topics to this one. Other than that, my name's Joe. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video, and I will speak to you in the next one.